Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make lemon turmeric rice. So we had a garlic turmeric rice video and it was so highly appreciated. So we decided to make something similar, but with a lemony twist to it. Not only does this taste amazing, it has many health benefits from the turmeric. So now I have two videos in the past where I speak in detail about the benefits of turmeric, so you can view them and you'll be able to see these options above on your screen as well. So now let's move on to the recipe. Okay guys, you saw how to make this recipe, and just before I move on with what I want to say, you'll be able to see the options above on your screen, how to make the garlic turmeric rice, and you'll also be able to see how to make the turmeric milk recipe that we made in the past as well. So do give them a view because it speaks in detail about the benefits of turmeric, which are immense, which are tremendous, and very, very timely for the times that we live in currently. And with that said, do like this video, comment below what you thought of it, and do subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell icon to be informed of our regular releases. And with that said, catch you in the next one.